Workflow at a standstill because of the Petools Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Senior Windows Support Engineer. I've mapped out the solution to fix Petools project conflict for good. Before we walk through the Petools library troubleshooting, you can access a utility focused on providing a clean system environment. This is the Petools library, the core execution library for the Petools suite, used by reverse engineers to inspect and modify Portable Executable (PE) headers. It manages the localized realignment of file sections. If missing, the software will fail to open binary files, reporting a header parsing exception or immediate process termination. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. The presence of Petools Library DLL is required for the Petools project engine to function, so you should perform a clean reinstall of the application, showing the error to redeploy the correct version of this dependency. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Petools library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry. We have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lockt/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. A vital technical reminder: modifying Petools Library DLL manually is a high-risk procedure that can overwrite essential library files your hardware depends on for basic functionality and secure processing. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. Review repair-related information for Petools library by consulting the diagnostic utility linked below. If your workstation is back online and Petools library is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.